What's up? It's the next YouTube video. This is everything current now. So now I'm no longer in Georgia. Back catching up with the TikToks and George Jr. and the girlfriend who's filming right now.
Hello.
Currently doing some stuff with work and taking George Jr. on a car ride, and he has been just massacring the inside. Do a zoom in on the babies.
Hi,
on the
mamas.
mamas. On the zoom in on the mamas. There's the
Oh,
king.
she's loafing.
There she's loafing. 10 out of 10 loaf. That's that right there.
Oh, there she goes right back up.
Oh, Jesus, fuck. The issue is when I'm driving, I keep seeing little Junior in the back. Junior! And I keep getting distracted. Definitely gonna crash. Are you gonna take the wheel? Are you gonna take the wheel, little dude? Little dude! George Jr., take the wheel. Oh, so majestic! So distinguished! Oh, that's my wiener. Oh, Papa Squat right there. George, I have to drive. Man, girl, you are really just hanging on for dear life. Update, I got the goods. It's cold as so distinct. No!
Oh my god.
It seems like we have a little Houdini escape artist in the house. Fucking asshole, bitch. Not you, the cat.
Randy, how dare you?
That's the look of a guilty woman right there. You came from living in the streets, and now you eat organic kitty food. Distinguished.
Brandy. The gay guy's gonna freak out.
The fact that you tried to escape, how does it feel to not have opposable thumbs? How does it feel to be an inferior creature?
My emotional support.
My emotional support cat.
I'm not emotional support.
We got you for one job and one job only. And your job is to help us with depression. Now you want, now you want, oh, a little shifty.
Oh, you say it wrong.
Wow. All right. Is that right?
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
57.
Chick-fil-A. Oh, hello.
For a free sandwich.
Awesome, thank you.
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Cat.
Oh.
So, a lot of people want to know if George Jr. is a guy or a girl cat, because George's been addressed as he and she many times. I don't have to tell you that George Jr. is a cat.